inquire or surrender. Inquire is the approach of Jnana Marga, the path of wisdom. Surrender is the approach of Bhakti Marga, the path of devotion. Sri Ramana Maharshi had once summarized all the approaches to freedom in these two cryptic words. It has been a long debate with respect to bondage and coming out of it. People have identified the human situation to be a bandhana, bondage. It's a psychological bondage where man is unhappy, man feels limited, bound, man feels miserable, and a number of other complications like insatiable desire or loneliness or anger and so on arise. This question is taken up by Lord Krishna also in the Bhagavad Gita in the chapter 12, and by context he upholds the path of devotion over there, for in that particular context it appears that the way to surrender has the merit of apparently certain ease. Classically, two metaphors are given. One is Markata Kishoranyaya, the second is Marjala Kishoranyaya. Markata means a monkey, Marjala means a cat. The mother monkey carries its young one from place to place. The mother is happy to take the young one anywhere and everywhere. However, the little one has to hold the mother monkey, and therefore the little one has to apply its own effort. In contrast, in the case of the mother cat, the young one doesn't have to do anything at all. The mother herself picks up the young one, takes the young one from one place to another. Giving this couple of or pair of metaphors, scholars have commented that the path of inquiry, like who am I, or self-observation, or study of scriptures like Vedanta or Zen and so on, Sufism and so on, and reflecting on these teachings, and then inquiring who am I, and cornering one's own ego is considered pretty hard. However, hard or easy, if you are made for it, you got to do that only, you will do that only. However hard Jnana Marga may be, a good number of us simply enjoy, appreciate, and are comfortable with the Jnana Marga. But it appears that a large number of people are comfortable with Bhakti Marga, the path of devotion. One more way of expressing the difference between the two is, on the path of devotion, you have quite a few alambanas. Alambana means support. So the form of God, the name of God, the description of God, God who becomes your beloved, all come handy for you to engage your mind in. Whereas in the case of Jnana Marga, it is the formless, attributeless, nameless, and it is all negation, negation, and negation all through. Lastly, bhakti is like climbing a hill, maybe by a roundabout path, but where there are steps, where there is a way made. Jnana is the straight path up, but there is no path. It is a strenuous climb. Whatever it is, we must recognize that there is some mess in our thought, and to be free of the mess called bondage, we need to explore, put in effort, and come out of this very, very complicated scenario.